I don't know what I'm doing here, how I landed in this space, but it's a good place. And I don't wanna mess it up, make mistakes or say too much, 'cause it's a good place.